Solve the exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this whole expression, and in fact, take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. Notice that with this equation, both terms have the same base, 2. Do you see that? When you have an equation like this, simply create an equation with the exponents. Like this. We get 4 equals x plus 1. Using the reflexive property of equality, I simply write x plus 1 equals 4. All I did was swap places between the 4 and the x plus 1. Now in order to solve for x, I subtract 1 from both sides of the equation and I get x is equal to 3. So when solving exponential equations, look for opportunities to find the same base, then you can create a very simple equation from the exponents.